Today we are going to start with understanding the concept of tal. What is tal? So think about whether it is in relation to Kathak or any musical composition. As soon as you're thinking of the word composition, you're binding it with some type of a rhythm of beats, okay, that is woven in a cycle. Now there are many different patterns of beats that you will find in that we use for Kathak. The most prominent of that is Teen Tal. Teen Tal is a 16 beat tal, which means after every 16 beats, it repeats itself. So think of it as a clock, except now the clock doesn't have 12 beats, it has 16 beats. So every tal, you can think of a clock with different number of beats. When we are focusing on Teen Tal to begin with, we are talking about the 16 beat tal. Okay? It is structured in divisions of 4 beats each. So it is a 4 times 4 tal. Every division is called a vibhag, or think of it as a segment. Okay, so there is the entire tal, which is 16 beats. It is divided into 4 vibhags, and each vibhag or each segment has 4 beats in it. Every beat is called a matra. Okay, so now if I were to think about that structure and say that tal on hand, just so we understand the structure of the tal: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 1, because after 16 it actually goes into that cycle. So what I'm doing is I'm actually denoting those 4 vibhags or those segments that I just told you and I'm denoting that by either a clap or by this gesture, which is called a khali. This is called a tali, this is called a khali, which means think of these as dividers. 1, second, third divider, and fourth divider, and back to the first beat. Okay. Now let's talk about the bols. The bols are the actual syllables of every beat. So now instead of saying the 16 in terms of a count, I'm actually going to tell you the bols of the tal. Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, 1. Okay, so that was a basic vocabulary and the 16 beats, and now we know the bols of those beats. Okay. Now let's connect it to Kathak. In Kathak, we can start, and most of the compositions will start at that slow speed, but it's a very common thing to increase or build that tempo gradually. Even when we are talking about some of the basic compositions and basic todas as bits and pieces within Kathak that are compositions, they are also performed in a drutle, which means it is a faster speed. So now just think of that, right? So I can do a smaller, slow speed at 1, 2, 3, 4, or I can do it much faster as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 1. If I want to keep doing this, and if I want to actually compose something on this and use this just for my bass rhythm, then doing something like this is very complex. For that, there is a Kathak pattern as to how we say this tal on hand, and it applies mainly to Teen Tal, so let's understand that. So there is a ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which means what is really happening behind the scenes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. And why am I only using the dividers? Because otherwise it's going to be too complex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's just going to be too complex. So now I'm choosing to use only the dividers as patterns to say all my Kathak todas. Okay. So again, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, ta, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now notice, why am I picking on the 1, 2, 3, 4? Every time the 1 starts, that's the beginning of the next cycle. So the 1 has a huge importance in Kathak. The first beat of any tal is called the sum. Sum, 2, 3, 4, and sum, 2, 3, 4, and that's how it repeats. Now I'm going to use my fingers. Now you can use your fingers, you can just do a clap so you remember how many claps you've had. I use the fingers just so that you know what the number of clap you are on. Okay, so I know some of us are used to showing it by where on the hand and the wrist you do it. That could be one way you know how many claps you've done, or it could be through the fingers. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, it keeps going like that. Now think of what is effectively happening. The first time you start, you are actually doing 2 beats, 2 talis, 1 khali, and you're bringing back the 4th one as a tali. After that, for each subsequent cycle, you are also going to add the 2 talis followed by a khali. So in effect, what is happening is you're going to start with two talis, khali, and every other time it seems like you are doing claps 3 times, but it's actually the leftover of the previous one. Okay. Now, when are you going to end? What is the right signal where you know that you've done it right and you've come back at your sum? It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So as long as you end any composition at a 1, then you know that you've done it right. So now that you know the concept of the tal, now let's try to do some very basic compositions in teen tal and see how those todas fit into teen tal. Okay, so again I'm going to start with the tal, and the way we say it in Kathak, it is going to be ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei. So this is just the base formation of hey, this is my rhythm, and now I'm going to show you a Kathak composition based on that rhythm. Say the composition on hand. Okay, so this has a multifold purpose. This has mainly the purpose is for the dancer to explain it to their audience, saying, hey, this is the composition I'm actually going to do. This is the tal I'm going to be presenting it in. It is Kathak, as we know, is a very improvised style of dance as well, which means that the musician and the dancer are connecting right then and there. So it is a signal for the dancer to give to the musician as well, to say, hey, this is how I'm composing, please accompany me on my instrument. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm going to actually say some todas on hand in teen tal. And 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, thei, thei, tat, a. First composition, tat, tat, dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig, tat, tat, thei, tat, tat, thei, tat, 1. This is my sum. So now I know that I have hit the right beat and I've come back to my sum. Okay, let's try something else. Thei, thei, tat, a. See the clock is still ticking, right? It's still moving. The clock doesn't stop. That's my rhythm. That's my bass rhythm in which I'm going to keep composing and keep coming back to my bass number 1. Kid tat thun thun na ti ta dha, dha din ta kid dha din ta, ka ti ta dha din ta, ka ti ta dha din ta, kid dha din ta, ka ti ta dha, thun ta dha, ka ti ta dha, thun ta dha, ka ti ta dha, thun ta 1. Now we are going to add music. Okay, so now think of the rhythm of this music and see how we can relate this to the tal that I just explained. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It repeats. The tune is also cyclical. Now let's try to bind it with our hand movements. And finally, our Kathak bols. Ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, thei, tat, ta, thei, thei, tat. Let's try another toda. Dhage tita, dhage tita, pradha tita, dhage tita, dhage tita, nage tita, pradha tita, dhage tita, dha, pradha tita, dhage tita, dha, pradha tita, dhage tita, dha, kat dha, kat dha, kat 1. And that was a short tutorial on just the introduction of Tal, and we learned Teen Tal. What are the Kathak bowls for the Tal? How do you get to the higher tempo and say some todas in Teen Tal?